So this technically isn't a new best from zero, but with the buffs I made to the pre-drop, it is way more difficult now. Even though I didn't get as far this time, it's still the hardest run I've done of this level, so yeah. You know what? Sure, good enough. Okay, so it doesn't even matter. It doesn't even matter that I technically didn't get as far, because with the buffs I made to the pre-drop, and I wasn't that confident in saying this at first, but now that I've done the entire pre-drop, I can confidently say that this run by itself is harder than the entirety of Bloodbath. Holy balls. This is recording, right? Yeah, okay. Cool. I'm not too sure if it'll stay at that difficulty. You know, cuz that's a little crazy, you know, cuz like I don't know, man. I don't know. So, yeah.